Hey everyone, welcome back to Legit Consumer. If you're looking to upgrade your home security setup in 2024, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best home security cameras of 2024. Whether you're focused on keeping your family safe, monitoring your property, or just staying connected while you're away, these cameras represent the latest in security technology. We'll be breaking down the features, performance, and what makes each of these top choices stand out. So, if you're ready to enhance your home's security, make sure to stick around. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews and tech tips. Let's get started. Number 5 PSYNC Camera Genie S. The Genie S 5MP indoor security camera is a cutting-edge device designed to provide comprehensive surveillance for your home or office. With its 5-megapixel sensor, this camera captures crisp, high-definition video, ensuring that every detail is visible, whether it's during the day or at night. The camera's advanced infrared night vision technology allows for clear footage in complete darkness, extending your security coverage to 24/7 monitoring. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to keep a close eye on their property, even when they're not around. One of the standout features of the Genie S 5MP is its wide-angle lens, which offers a broad field of view, reducing blind spots and allowing you to monitor larger areas with a single camera. This makes it perfect for covering expansive spaces like living rooms, offices, or entryways. Additionally, the camera includes two-way audio, enabling you to listen and speak through the camera. This feature is particularly useful for checking in on family members, pets, or employees, or even deterring potential intruders with your voice. Smart motion detection is another key feature of the Genie S 5MP. The camera can send instant alerts to your smartphone when movement is detected, allowing you to react quickly to any unexpected activity. The camera is also easy to install and integrates seamlessly with popular smart home systems, providing you with remote access and control via a mobile app. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, the Genie S 5MP indoor security camera offers a reliable and advanced solution for keeping your space secure and connected. Number 4 ESVIZ C62K Plus. The ESVIZ C62K Plus indoor security camera is a feature-packed device designed to enhance the safety and security of your home or office. With its impressive 2K Plus resolution, this camera captures incredibly detailed and sharp video, allowing you to monitor your space with clarity and precision. Whether you're keeping an eye on your living room, nursery, or office, the high-definition video ensures that you won't miss a thing. The camera's advanced pan and tilt functionality offers a 360-degree field of view, eliminating blind spots and enabling you to cover an entire room with a single device. One of the key features of the ESVIZ C62K Plus is its intelligent tracking and motion detection capabilities. The camera can automatically follow moving objects or people, ensuring that any suspicious activity is closely monitored. When movement is detected, instant alerts are sent to your smartphone, allowing you to take immediate action if necessary. The two-way audio feature enables real-time communication through the camera, making it easy to check in on family members or pets, or even to scare off potential intruders. Additionally, the ESVIZ C62K Plus supports night vision, providing clear footage even in low-light conditions, so you can monitor your space 24/7. Easy to install and compatible with popular smart home systems, the ESVIZ C62K Plus offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for keeping your indoor environment secure. Number 3 Arlo Essential. The Arlo Essential indoor security camera is a powerful yet easy-to-use solution designed to keep your home or office secure with minimal hassle. This camera offers crisp 1080p HD video, ensuring you capture clear and detailed footage of your indoor spaces, whether it's monitoring the living room, nursery, or office. Its compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into any environment, while the wide 130-degree field of view ensures that you can cover more area with a single camera, reducing blind spots and providing comprehensive coverage. One of the standout features of the Arlo Essential is its smart motion detection, which not only detects movement but can also differentiate between people, pets, and other objects. This intelligent detection system helps reduce false alarms and ensures that you only receive alerts that matter. When motion is detected, instant notifications are sent to your smartphone, allowing you to check the live feed and respond promptly if necessary. The camera also supports two-way audio, enabling you to listen in and communicate directly through the camera, whether you need to talk to family members, pets, or even warn off an intruder. The Arlo Essential also offers clear night vision, providing reliable monitoring even in complete darkness. With easy installation and compatibility with popular smart home systems, the Arlo Essential Indoor Security Camera provides a reliable and user-friendly way to keep your indoor spaces safe and secure. Number 2. Blink Mini. The Blink Mini Indoor Security Camera is a compact and affordable solution for keeping an eye on your home or office. Despite its small size, this camera delivers 1080p HD video, providing clear and detailed footage that ensures you won't miss anything important. Ideal for monitoring living spaces, entryways, or nurseries, the Blink Mini offers a wide field of view that covers a substantial area, making it easy to keep tabs on your surroundings. One of the key features of the Blink Mini is its motion detection capabilities. The camera sends real-time alerts to your smartphone whenever movement is detected, allowing you to quickly check the live feed and respond as needed. This feature is particularly useful for keeping an eye on pets, kids, or unexpected visitors. The camera also includes two-way audio, enabling you to listen and speak through the camera, whether you're communicating with family members or addressing someone in your home. The Blink Mini also supports infrared night vision, ensuring you can monitor your space even in low-light conditions. Easy to set up and compatible with Alexa, the Blink Mini integrates seamlessly into your smart home system, offering a straightforward and effective way to enhance your indoor security without breaking the bank. Number 1. Ring Indoor Cam Second Generation. The Ring Indoor Camera, second generation, is a versatile and compact security solution designed to provide reliable monitoring for your home or office. With its 1080p HD video capability, this camera captures clear and sharp footage, allowing you to keep a close eye on your indoor spaces at all times. Whether you're monitoring the living room, keeping an eye on the kids, or watching over your office, the Ring Indoor Cam ensures that you have a clear view of what's happening, day or night. One of the standout features of the Ring Indoor Cam is its real-time motion detection, which instantly alerts you on your smartphone whenever movement is detected. This allows you to check in immediately and see what's happening, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. The camera also features two-way audio, enabling you to hear and speak through the camera, making it easy to communicate with family members, pets, or even potential intruders. The second-generation Ring Indoor Cam is also designed for flexibility and ease of use. Its compact size allows it to be placed almost anywhere, and it can be easily integrated with the broader Ring ecosystem, including Alexa, for seamless smart home control. Simple to set up and use, the Ring Indoor Cam, second gen, offers an effective and accessible way to enhance your indoor security. Thanks for tuning in to Legit Consumer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the wonders of the world. See you in the next one.